Ever feel like your to-do list has morphed into a monstrous hydra, with new tasks popping up faster than you can tackle the old ones? Yeah, us too. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and on top of projects is a constant battle. That's where project management tools come in, promising to slay the hydra and bring order to the chaos. But with so many options out there, choosing the right tool can feel like another daunting task. Today, we're diving headfirst into the battle between two titans, Asana and Microsoft. Is one a clear champion, or is it more of a different strokes for different folks scenario? Let's break it down. First up, Asana. This sleek, user-friendly platform boasts a focus on simplicity and visual organization. Think colorful boards, drag-and-drop functionality, and a clean interface that makes navigating tasks a breeze. Asana shines for teams that prioritize collaboration. You can easily assign tasks, track progress in real time, and keep everyone in the loop with comments and updates. It's like a virtual war room where everyone can see the battle plan and contribute to the victory. But Asana isn't just about aesthetics. It packs a punch with powerful features like project dependencies, timelines, and custom fields. Need to see how a delay in one task impacts the entire project? Asana's got you covered. However, Asana might not be the best fit for everyone. While it excels at managing smaller, more agile projects, its power can feel overwhelming for teams working on complex, highly detailed endeavors. Think of it like this. Asana is a light, nimble fighter, perfect for executing quick maneuvers and adapting to changing situations. But for those who need heavy artillery and intricate battle plans, Microsoft might be a better choice. Speaking of Microsoft, let's talk about their project management offerings. Now, Microsoft doesn't have a single, unified platform like Asana. Instead, they offer a few different options, the most prominent being Microsoft Project. Project is a well-established industry leader, known for its robust features and powerful scheduling capabilities. It's ideal for large-scale projects with intricate dependencies, resource allocation needs, and complex workflows. Imagine Project as a master strategist, meticulously planning every move and anticipating potential roadblocks. It's perfect for teams that thrive on structure and need a clear roadmap to success. However, Project has a reputation for being a bit, clunky. Its interface can feel intimidating for new users, and the learning curve can be steeper compared to Asana. Think of all those buttons and menus as a complex set of armor, impressive for defense, but not exactly nimble for quick strikes. Another factor to consider is cost. While Asana offers a free tier with limited features, Project typically requires a paid subscription. So, if budget is a major concern, Asana might be the more attractive option. So, the answer to the million-dollar question, is Asana better than Microsoft? There's no simple answer. It really depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a small, agile team that values ease of use and collaboration, Asana might be your champion. But for large-scale projects requiring intricate planning and robust features, Microsoft Project could be the strategic mastermind you need. Ultimately, the best way to choose is to try both and see which one feels like the most effective weapon in your organizational arsenal. Remember, the key to slaying the project management hydra is finding the tool that empowers you and your team to work smarter, not harder. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,